Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss how the machine learning or the artificial intelligence can be used to for the visual inspection of the objects. And here we are considering the mechanical objects or some products we can visually inspect for the quality, and that is done using the artificial intelligence and the deep learning algorithm. So here we are going to detect the quality of the one of the mechanical object, and the data set is obtained from the industry only, and we have collected the samples of some normal caps and some abnormal objects, and this is the paper supporting the idea of implementation. So Python programming will be used. Now this is representing for some another object, but we will be considering some different object. So any product, any object can be inspected using the artificial intelligence technique and the deep learning algorithm. So that's what we are going to, or we are trying to implement. So coming back to the coding section, so this is the code convolutional neural network algorithm we are using, and here is the data set in which we are having so many images of different types. So this is the object which we want to inspect, and it will be inspected for various quality measures. And the rest of the things are some Python code, some static and templates file. So in this templates we are having some HTML documents. In the static folder we are having the images plus CSS file, and this is our main code which is running on the local server. So once you type localhost colon 5000, such kind of interface will open. And here there is another option that you can even consider using the webcam. So right now I haven't connected any webcam, so it will start the real-time web camera from the laptop. And as we are not having any objects, we will not demonstrate this, but this is how we can upload the images. Now for example, if you upload this image, then this image will appear over here, and once you click on test, it will be tested as abnormal cap. So for example, as it was abnormal because this was the problem, but we can consider even some other normal caps, or there are various damages we can see, or these are the correct samples which is not having any kind of damage. So we'll upload this one, and this is the correct one. And once you click on the test, so this is normal cap or the correct sample, not having any kind of problem. So this way the product can be inspected, and even the it can be inspected from the live web camera as well. So this is all about the complete implementation of this particular project. In case you need the code of this particular project, then you can check out the description box under this video. And secondly, the project can be even modified for any other object as well. Right now we are doing this for this particular cap, but it can be modified to any other product. It can be any mechanical object or any product which can be tested for its quality in industry. So in case you need code and other stuff like papers and the step-by-step implementation guidance for this project, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.